So this issue with former Miami Dolphins head coach Brian Flores suing the NFL and all 32 teams in the league, crying discrimination in the way they treat him and other black coaches after he was interviewed for the head coaching job with the New York Giants. Flores apparently did one of these quota interviews only to realize subsequently that the vacancy was already filled by a white coach. So the man vexed and said lawsuit. Now, in principle, I am not a big fan of this concept where football teams and organizations must hire or at least interview a certain quota of black or colored people. I think people should be hired on competence and not on race, ethnicity, gender, etc. The best and most qualified candidate must get the job. The best pilot must fly the plane, not the blackest pilot. The best doctor must treat my pain, not the shortest or the tallest or the whitest or the blackest doctor. But of course, some countries like America have a different color reality. So them have to draw for the affirmative action and the Rooney rule and all these things. But you see, for my football team, me want the best coach, whether I'm black, white, blue, yellow, pink, purple, mauve, orange, yellow, purple, white.